CultureCon
West.
Start over.
CultureCon.
I'll start. Culture.
Culture. All right, welcome to CultureCon West.
I love coming to this because it is one of the few places where you're going to see so many people who are dedicated to trying to make work as healthy as possible.
CultureCon is a great opportunity to come together and build deep connections.
The workplace has never been noisier, it's never been more anxious, but what we haven't made loud enough is humanity.
When people feel connected, they engage more deeply in their work. So when I feel connected to a place, I want to do that work. I want to be here.
We spend a lot of time thinking about the strategy, the process, but really the environment that makes all of that strategy and process work is a healthy culture.
There's no way around culture.
You have a culture, one way or another.
If you don't tend to it, you don't cultivate it, it's going to wither. It's not going to flourish.
Culture is really everything for us. It guides how we interact, how we make decisions, how we build community and show up for others within our organization.
It's about the employee experience. There's nothing more important. We have to focus on it.
To me, culture is essential.
Culture is intentional.
Culture is humans working well together.
Culture is behavior. It's not slogans.
Culture is what your employees feel every single day.
I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel.
It's an incredible community. It's just a bunch of people who love to connect and learn together.
We really lucked out with just like the highest caliber of human that comes to this event.
It has been the warmest conference that I think I've been to in a long time.
This is truly a conference like no other.
Everyone here has been super kind and super supportive.
People truly show up, let their guards down, show up in vulnerable, authentic ways.
That really is the essence and the magic of the conference, is the human connection that's made.
On behalf of Nick, myself, everyone involved, thank you so much for joining us here in Vegas at CultureCon West 2025.